Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate or create a quick response code or a QR code. You might want to create a QR code probably because you want to share a link with someone or a group of people. So instead of writing the link out for them to copy, you can simply create a QR code for that link. And all they need to do is to scan that QR code and it will direct them to the exact site you are referring them to. Now this will help them save time of typing the URL and also help them with the exact URL. So to do that, I'm going to be showing you multiple ways. First, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code in Microsoft Office. It doesn't matter if it is Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. As long as it's a Microsoft Office program, you can generate a QR code there. I'll also show you how to generate it online using a site and also with a free software. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So here I am in Microsoft Word. To generate a QR code, first we are going to need to install an add-in. So head over to the Insert menu and click on Get Add-ins. When you click on Get Add-ins, it's going to open the Microsoft Add-in Store. So on the search, you are going to search for QR. When you search for QR, you are going to see a bunch of add-ins that you can use to generate QR codes. Now the one you want is this one right here. QR for Office. Click on the Add button and then hit on the Continue to agree to the license terms and privacy policy. So after installing the add-in, at the top right here is where you can choose what type of link you want to generate a QR code for. If it's just a URL or an email address or a telephone number, or you want to generate a QR code for an SMS or a custom link. So whichever one you want, you can go ahead and select the option right here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be generating a QR code for a regular link. So I'm going to choose the first option right here. Next to that, right here is where you can type in the URL you want to generate the QR code for. So let's say, for instance, I want to generate a QR code for Google homepage. So I'm going to type in google.com. And immediately I do that, down here you see a preview of the QR code right here. At the top right here, you can change the color of the QR code. So when I hit on this button right here, I get this color palette where I can choose whatever color of my choice. So let's say I'm going to go with red. And next you can choose a background color for the QR code. Once again, I have this palette open, but I'm going to leave it on the default, which is white. And you can also increase the size of the QR code if you are not okay with the size you have. So when you are done, you are satisfied with the QR code, you can go ahead and hit on the Insert button down here. And here I have my QR code on my documents page. But as you can see, I cannot move this QR code. So for me to be able to move this QR code, I will have to wrap it. So I'm going to head over to Picture Format. Click on Wrap Text and select In Front of Text. Now with that done, I can now move this wherever I want and position it wherever I want on my page. So from here, I can copy this and paste it wherever I want. I can copy it from here and I can paste it, let's say, on Excel. So here it is. So I can actually paste this on any Microsoft Office app. And when I head over to the Insert right here and I click on Add-ins, go over to my add-ins. There I have the QR for Office. So if I head over to PowerPoint, I will also find the add-in right there. I can also save this QR code as an image so I can upload it wherever I want. All I need to do is to right click on it and click on Save as Picture. And right here I get this file save dialog. So I'm going to choose the location where I want it to be saved, which is my desktop, and then give it a name. Let's say QR, and then hit on the Save button. So when I head over to my desktop, here I have my QR code. So another way to generate a QR code is to head over to your browser and then search for unitag.io/QR code. So right here I can generate QR codes. When I scroll down a bit, within other types, I can select what I want to generate a QR code for, whether it's a phone number, SMS, an email address, geolocation, events, for a Wi-Fi, and text. So you're going to choose the one that you want right here and then head over to the previous tab. Down here, you are going to input the corresponding information. So I'm just going to generate for a basic URL. Once again, I'm going to type in google.com and then hit on the confirm button. Right here, you get a preview of your URL. If you find this video helpful so far, please do well to support this channel by liking this video and also subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. One interesting thing I love about this website is that down here you can customize your QR code. So the first option here under the customization is the templates. Within templates, right here I have different templates for my QR code. So whatever template you prefer, you can go ahead and select it. Next you have colors. You can choose a color of your choice. Next you have style. Within styles you have modules and you have eyes, so you can choose a module. So let's say simple. So I'm just going to select. Next you can add logo. You can add logo to your URL. You can add an online image as a logo by typing in the URL in this field right here, or you can upload one from your PC. Next you have eyes. When you are all done customizing, when you scroll down here, you see this download your QR code. But before that, up here we have a warning. It says customized QR code may be unscannable. Be sure to verify that your QR code can be scanned in real size before using it. So I would advise you don't do too much of customization on your QR code. If at all you want to do it, should just be a very minimum or a very simple customization, so you don't have scanning issues after generating. So when you are done, click on the download your QR code button. And then you're going to get this window. Click on next step and finally click on download your QR code. And then you're going to get the save as dialog. Select location where you want the file or the QR code to be saved. You can give it a file name, but I'm going to leave this default name right here. And then click on the save button. So I have my QR code downloaded already. So when I head over to my desktop, there I have it. Another way you can generate a QR code is to use a free and open source app called ShareX. ShareX is ultimately for screen capturing. That is, you can use ShareX to take a screenshot of your screen and also record your screen. But other than capturing your screen, ShareX has other features, of which one of them is generating QR code. So if you want to learn more about ShareX, I have a tutorial video on this channel that will help you with that. You can click on the link above or the one in the description. So to use ShareX to generate a QR code, head over to Tools and select QR code. Right here, you can encode a QR code and you can also decode one. Within encode, all you need to do is to type in the URL up here. Once again, I'm going to type in google.com. And down here, I see a preview of the QR code. Now, when I right click on this, I can simply copy it to my clipboard, save it as an image file, or I can upload it directly from here. Let's go with save as image file. And I guess this save as dialog. Once again, I'll select the location where I want it to be saved, my desktop, and then give it a file name if I want. I'm going to leave the default right here and then click on save. You can also decode a QR code up here. When you click on the decode button, you can either decode from screen or decode from image file. When you click on the decode from image file, you can select a QR code you want to decode, let's say. So I'm going to select one of the ones we generated in previous tutorial and click on the open button. And up here, you see the results, google.com. So that is it, guys. That is how to generate a quick response code or a QR code. You can scan these QR codes with any QR code scanner. On your mobile phone, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and download a QR code scanner. But if you're using an iPhone, you can simply use your camera, your phone camera, to scan QR codes. So that is it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please support this channel by giving this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video like this. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.